Hi, this is a demo of the OpenSDR agent mode. OpenSDR agent mode is a agent that can take a complex SDR task and spend a long time digging into it. So what do SDRs do? SDRs basically go find companies that match a prompt and then find contact information and figure out how we can get in touch with those people at that company who might be decision makers. So where this scenario started, I'm building a tool called Ref, which provides documentation to software development agents. So I'm looking for companies that are building software development agents. So I have a list that I've sort of manually compiled over time, just whenever I hear about one. I started by handing that off to OpenSDR. OpenSDR took that and fleshed it out into this slightly longer list with more details about each one of the tools and companies and the URLs, and found a few more. Then I took that and I'm handed off another prompt to ask OpenSDR to find warm intros, which is what it's working on now. So here we can see I've just run OpenSDR agent with a list of the prompt file. It's going off and working through each one of these companies. So what it will do is it will spin off a sub agent for each company that will do a bunch of steps. And you see I've prompted and asked it to do these specific steps. So I want it to research the company, find engineering leaders, and find my connections. So it's working through all of that for each one of these. You can see some example company background, who I have connections to, and you can see down here it's collecting research notes as it goes along.
I have completed the research on Audify. They are indeed a company, not just a tool, developing an AI-powered test automation platform. I've identified several key contacts, including CEO Ryo Chikazawa, who we can potentially reach through a mutual connection at Figma. I've saved detailed findings, including company background, key decision makers, and connection strategy in the notes.
Cool, yeah, so that was OpenSDR letting us know its progress. It's using Rhyme for the voice. What's really cool about that OpenSDR agent is that it is an MCP client. So I gave it access to Rhyme, but you could put any MCP server here. You could put Apollo for contact enrichment to get emails, or you could put whatever your contact management system is, so that as you find contacts, you upload them there. Maybe just Notion or Google Docs, if that's where you store your information. Fully composable with whatever MCP servers to store and connect to whatever your tool set is. And yeah, I think that's what really makes OpenSDR powerful. And I hope you give it a try.